How to fix this site can be reached error into Google Chrome. Solve 2025. Having trouble accessing a website and keep getting the site can be reached error in Chrome? Don't worry. Here's a step-by-step fix that works in 2025. So first of all, you can use the first method like restart your router and Chrome, and just sometimes it's just a simple connectivity glitch. Turn off your router, wait 10 seconds and power it back on, and then fully close and reopen Chrome. And after this, the second method, you can just clear Chrome's DNS cache. So first of all, you have to open the Chrome and just type Chrome, and you have to just type that Chrome net internals /DNS, and you just have to press enter, and you have to click on clear host cache, and you have to just uh, exit from the Chrome, and you can just again restart the Chrome, and you will be good to go. And if this method doesn't work with you, you can flash DNS on Windows or Mac. You can flash DNS on Windows, like you can open command prompt, you can just type here, and you can just click on command prompt, and you can just type ipconfig and then slash and then flush DNS, and you can just click on enter, and Windows IP Corporation successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, and you can just exit from the Chrome browser and reopen it, and it will work. And on the Mac, you can use terminal and type sudo dsh till and flush cache sudo kill all hupm DNS responder, and then hit the enter, and the next or the final process is the same. And after that, you can also change your DNS provider. So for that, you have to go to settings, and then network. You can also just type network on your Windows option here, view network connections, and after coming here, you can just change adapter options. Right click your you can change your adapter connection from here. Adapter connection from here, and after that, you can change your DNS. The preferred DNS is 8.8.8, and alternate you can do 8.8.4.4. and after that, you just have to close your Chrome browser and just reopen it, and it will work. And if this method also doesn't work with you, there may be a problem with the extensions or temporal antivirus. Like some extensions or antivirus softwares may block the site access, so try incognito mode. You can just try a incognito mode and try to search for that website again. And after that, if the all 4 or 5 options I have told you doesn't work, then you can reset Chrome setting. And for that, you have to go to Chrome settings option, and after that, you have to click on reset settings and restore settings to their original ones, and you just have to click on reset settings, and all the Chrome uh, settings, data and options all will be reset and back to their original form, defaults form, and your site can be accessible after that. So uh, that's it for this video. See you on the next one.